okaying for a better way to manage your money internationally? Let's dive into everything Wise Bank has to offer and see why it's one of the top choices for global banking. If you've ever dealt with expensive international transfer fees or unfair exchange rates, you know the frustration. Wise Bank changes the game. With their transparent pricing and real exchange rates, you'll save money every time you send or receive payments across borders. What makes Wise Bank stand out? Low fees. Say goodbye to hidden charges. Wise Bank clearly shows what you'll pay up front: real exchange rates, no markups, no gimmicks. You get the same rate you'd find on Google. Multi-currency accounts, hold and manage over 50 currencies in one place. Perfect for frequent travelers, freelancers, and businesses. Fast transfers. Most transactions are completed in just a few hours. Wise Bank isn't just about saving money, it's about convenience. Open an account online in minutes, and you'll have access to a global financial network that's reliable, secure, and easy to use. Thinking of receiving payments internationally? Wise Bank gives you local bank details in major currencies like USD, Euro, and GBP. No more hefty fees or long waiting times. Their user-friendly app makes managing your finances a breeze. Monitor transactions, exchange currencies instantly, and get real-time updates, all at your fingertips. So, is Wise Bank worth it? If you're someone who deals with international transactions, travels frequently, or wants to avoid high fees, the answer is yes. Ready to simplify your banking and save money? Register with Wise Bank today. The link is in the description below, and before you go, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll keep bringing you honest reviews, helpful tips, and guides to make your financial life easier. Thanks for watching.